Hello, students. Today we are here to learn a very interesting topic of Maths Standard 8, that is linear equations in one variable. So let's go through it and see how we go. Here we go. The name of the chapter is written in front of us. So I do believe that before starting the chapter, we should know its perfect meaning. What is it? Let's go. There we go. Linear. In lower classes, we have learned that variables have some power over them. We also know them by exponent. If I write any variable, let's say x, if the exponent is 1, then it is known as linear. If the exponent is x raised to 2, then it is known as quadratic. So as of now, we would be learning for x raised to 1 only. For x raised to 1, we even write it as x. If nothing is written on the top, which means that it's 1 only. Now equation, yes, that too we will understand the meaning. Let's go over here. 2x plus 3. If I write like this, then it is an algebraic expression. Why not equation? Because there is no equal to sign. Now if I include the equal to sign, then it becomes an equation. You need to equate. Yes. Now, one variable means in this equations, we will be using only single variable. Coming to variable word, variable means whose value is not constant. It keeps on changing according to the situation. Now, we can denote the variables with what? With the small letters, small alphabets, A, B, C, D, up to X, Y, Z with any small letter. You cannot use it as a capital A. No, that would be incorrect. Right? And one variable compulsorily. Let's write one equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. So does this equation belong to the given chapter? I would say no. Why? Because here there are two variables, x and y. So we need to just have the equations with one variable. If I remove this, then yes, then this question belongs to our chapter. Moving forward, yes, this is expression and equation we already learned. Just a quick go through. Back again, no equal to sign over here. So there is equal to sign, so it is known as equation. Moving to next, how we can write it in the standard form. Standard form, a x raised to 1 plus b is equal to 0, where a, the constant along with the x variable, is not equal to 0. This condition is very important. I will show you it with an example. Where a and b are constant values, a fixed value. Now let's say in place of a, I write 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. It works, right? But if I'm taking a as a 0, 0 into x plus 5 is equal to 0, then students, if any variable is multiplied with 0, it becomes 0. So the variable will be eliminated. And without variable, no need of the equation, right? So this condition is very helpful. That is, a need not to be 0. Now, one more thing. While solving the questions, you might go through these words. That is, find the solution of an equation. Yes, what does it mean? It means that you need to find the value of the variable given in the respective equation. Right. So, few rules while solving the equation. Coming to that next part. Rules are as follows. As such, I have written 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. If I change, okay, any term, I have two terms over here, first term, second term. The term with a negative sign, if it is shifted to the right side or to the left, any side if you change, The side change means the terms with the negative sign will become positive. It can be written as 4x is equal to 3. Right. And let's say if I am changing the side of 4x and taking it to the right side, minus 3 remains as it is. On the left, 4x is with positive sign. So it will become minus 4x. Right. So vice versa. If you change to the left to right, any sign, side change means the terms with the positive sign will go to the negative sign, and the terms with the negative sign will change to the positive sign. Same it applies for multiplication and division as well. Let's say 3x is equal to 6. Here 3 is in multiplication with the variable x. Now let's say if I take this 3 to the other side of the equation, it goes in division. X is equal to 6 by 3. That gives you the answer 2. Very simple. The same way, if you want to take something which is in division to the other side, let's say x by 3 is equal to 6. You want to find the value of this variable x. And this 3 years in division. Of course, you will change the side of 3. It is to the left. If you take it to the right, it is in division. It will go in multiplication. X is equal to 6 multiplied by 3. That would give you the answer. Right. So this were the few very simple basic rules for solving any equation, which is already written over here. Right. One thing more. Any equation is given. If I subtract the same number on both the sides, the equation will not change. If I add on both the sides, there is no change. This both equation rules are written. The same way, in a given equation, if I multiply a number which is not 0 on both the sides, the answer would be same. If I divide some same number on both the sides, no change in the equation without altering the solution. The solution will not change. That was something to be known. This is cross multiplication. If something is written like this, is equal to m upon n. So the denominator of the left can be taken on the right in multiplication, and denominator of the right can be taken to the left in multiplication. That's known as cross multiplication. Let's quickly solve one of the very basic simple question related to this chapter. Here, we want to find the value of x, the variable. So of course, the number attached to it, something along with it, can be taken separated to the other side. Very simple way to solve the equations. First, to sort out the things of plus and minus, and then you can carry forward with your multiplication division. 6 is plus, taken to the left becomes minus is equal to 2x. Here it gives you 14 is equal to 2x. Till 2 is in multiplication with x, taken to the left goes in division. 14 divided by 2 is equal to x, which gives you the value of x as 7. So there was a simple startup for this chapter. Hope the fundamentals were clear and we could carry forward many more questions as such. Thank you.